welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I am doing a very special unboxing. It is going to be my second and third Cartier piece, and these are actually Christmas presents from my husband. Actually, did he buy me both of these? I can't remember. Anyway, so I actually have 3 pieces coming in. I wasn't going to tell you, it was going to be like a surprise, but yes, I do have 3 pieces coming in. These should be 2 of them, and he got me 2, and then I got myself 1. So I'm pretty sure I know what this is, and I'm super excited about it. So today I'm just doing the unboxing, but I wanted to do that with you so that you could see what it's like to purchase on Cartier. I did do a similar video before showing you my mom's bracelet. I did purchase my mom a love bracelet in the size 17 in the gold color, but today I wanted to go ahead and do this on camera. So let's get started. I'm going to start with unboxing this box. So this came through FedEx, and because it is I don't know, I guess an expensive purchase, they do require a signature, but because of what's going on, we are actually not doing signatures. They just verified my last name. So let's open this. So now I'm going to pull these little tabs off. Okay, so we have this is just cardboard. I don't believe I got this one with my mom's bracelet. In here, I am sure we have the receipt and all the paperwork. Yes, everything's in here. And then we get a pretty little bag. Oops. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Here's one. And another one. And I can tell right now that they have not included a cleaning kit. They did not include one in my mom's bracelet, and they did not include one for this wedding band. So, you know, that's a bummer because I would like to have one. I've already purchased quite a few pieces from them, and I still have yet to receive one. So I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe I'll just have to go into the store and ask for one. But let's move these boxes away. This. All right, so like I was saying, I don't know if either of these are actually going to fit. I did my best with the sizing. I did a lot of research on YouTube, of course, searching for videos on sizings for these items, and I just did my best to, you know, practically just gauge at what I would be, what sizes I would be. All right, their packaging is always so beautiful and intricate. As you can see, the box has all these pretty little folds and pleats in them that they do specifically. And normally it would have a wax seal on it, but this one does not. I really don't care, but just letting you know. Oh, and I haven't mentioned why I'm dressed like this. I actually was working out when FedEx came, and I decided to stop immediately because I really wanted to open this box. I put on my rings, and I started filming. So that is why I'm wearing gym clothes. All right, finally. so we have a tiny little box. I guess that from the look of the box, you can probably guess what type of item this is. And let's see, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is the Juste Clou ring in the rose gold. I'm so excited for this. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now I don't know if it's going to fit. I really want it on this pointer finger. I'm kind of scared to try it on because of that reason, but let's see. Let's take this off. So I'm going to tell you what I did to figure out the sizing, and let's see if it worked or not. So what I did was I went by the ring that I've already ordered, which was a 53. So this ring right here, this one on my middle finger, is a 53, and it is the wedding band. And so I know that this ring right here runs a little bit bigger. So I was going to get the 52, but I didn't because the ring, the finger that I want to wear this on is this pointer, which is a little bit smaller. So anyway, I hope that my way of thinking works because I got a 51 instead of a 52. So I don't know. I guess I can't take this off without cutting it off. I guess they want to do that just to make sure that you have a tag on it if you want to return it. So I'm going to try this on. Yay, it fits! Oh my gosh, that is awesome. So that's what it looks like, and this is the finger that I want to wear it. So I went ahead, I'm going to stand so you can see. I went ahead and got a 51 in the Juste Clou, and I have a 53 in this wedding band, and I did get a 51 because, as you can see, this one fits a little bit big, and I knew that I should go a size down, but since it fits already a little big, I went ahead and went 2 sizes down. I'm so happy that I did that. So that's what it looks like on the finger that I want to wear it, which is my left hand with my wedding band set. So I'm super happy with the way this looks. I'm definitely cutting that tag off. Another thing, I am kind of cold. As you can see, the fireplace is on because I am cold, and you know that when we are cold, our fingers shrivel a little bit and shrink. So I know that right now it's a little bit loose, that it will fit once my fingers come back to normal, which hopefully they will once I warm up. So let's go on to my next unboxing. This ring is beautiful, guys. I love it. And I can probably, yes, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I can stack it with my wedding band. That is just so pretty. Look how that looks stacked right there. And I will totally be making separate videos on these pieces and on the sizing and all that, just so that I can help any of you guys that are interested in doing the same thing and you can't get to a Cartier boutique, because I definitely cannot. My closest Cartier boutique is in Virginia, I believe, and that is about 5 hours away from me. So I will not be driving 5 hours. So let's put this away and let's get on to unboxing number 2. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this ring. Okay, let's get on with this other unboxing. And this is what I was really worried about size-wise, because I think it's going to be a little bit big. I just hope it's not, but I think it might be. Okay, finally. Alright, so this box is obviously a lot bigger than the other one. It says, as a friendly reminder, please kindly take special care not to scratch your Cartier creation when trying it on, as our items can only be returned or exchanged in pristine condition. So let's just hope this fits, because I do not want to have to exchange it. I do not want to have to wait. But there's that. I guess this is my little care booklet. Yes, and kind of instructions. So have you guys guessed yet what it is? Probably. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness. And I got the love bracelet in the rose gold. And this is the small love bracelet. So it is not the thicker one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let's see. Let's unsnap this. This looks like a little baby bracelet. I actually think it will fit, so I'm super happy about that. This is super tiny, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks like a baby bracelet for real. Look at that. Anyway, the screwdriver should be here. And there it is. And I know that my husband should be the one to put this on my wrist. I know that. He is the one that purchased it for me, but he will not be the one putting it on my wrist because he is not here. And I am not waiting. So, I'm sure it'll be fine. All right, so let's see here. So this one in particular is different from the one my mom got because the one she got is the one that actually comes apart and you have the 2 screws on both sides. This one is not. This one just unhinges from one side, I believe. Oh my gosh, I don't want to break this. How do you do this? Okay, so there's that. I wanted to read the inside of it just to make sure that I got the size that I actually ordered because I ordered a 16 and this is a 16 just because it looks so tiny, way different from my mom's bracelet. Dang, I should have worn a different shirt. But like I said, this is what I was wearing when the mail came, so this is what I have on. But my mom's doesn't look this small and hers is a 17. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, I am in love with this. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you, honey. Since he's not here, I can't say thank you directly, but he will see this video. And so you put it on and then you lock it. I would have my daughter put it on me, but he would probably get mad. All right, so there it is. So as you can see on my wrist there, I think it's a perfect size. I was worried about when I did yoga, if the bracelet came down to my palm, that I wouldn't be able to, you know, use my palm as I normally do, but it is perfect. It is a perfect fit because you are not able, oh, well, I am able to turn it. Ugh. I don't know, guys. What should I do? What should I do? I'm gonna ask you guys if I should keep this or should I go down to a 15. I think it's fine because the 15 will be a little bit too tight and won't be able to move so much. The only thing I'm concerned about is I know that you are not supposed to be able to rotate this around your wrist like I am here, but I don't know if I should size down. To me, it feels fine, but I don't know. So you guys let me know. So there it is up close. There it is with my ring. And so there you have it, guys. That is all for my Cartier unboxing. I am very happy with my purchases. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving my Instagram handle down here for you in case you are interested in following me over there. I do post more family-oriented content over there, not so much luxury. So if that is something that interests you, please go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. Let's never forget to be kind to one another, as I always tell you, and never forget to be grateful. I will also be leaving 2 more videos linked here or here on the side somewhere so that you guys can continue watching if you wish to do so. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much.